I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from Giffgaff to EE, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Request a PSE code. To start the porting process, you need to get a porting authorization code PSE from Giffgaff. You can do this by texting PSE to 65075 or by logging into your Giffgaff account. Step 2. Sign up with EE. Once you have your PSE code, sign up for an EE plan. You can do this online or at an EE store. Make sure to provide your PSE code during the sign-up process to initiate the number transfer. Step 3. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your PSE code, EE will process your request. You should receive a confirmation message with the date your number will be transferred. This usually takes 1 working day. Step 4. Insert your EE-SIM. When the transfer date arrives, insert your new EE-SIM card into your phone. Make sure your device is compatible with EES network. Step 5. Test your number. After inserting the SIM, test your phone by making a call or sending a text to ensure your number has been successfully ported. If you encounter issues, try restarting your phone. Switching your number can be a breeze if you follow these steps. If you run into any hiccups, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy switching!